Hello ma'am, this is Jones. I'm going to do the second experiment of the case tools lab. In this experiment, we are supposed to create a class diagram. Okay, class diagram for two scenarios. The first scenario is project aim to developing patient billing software, so patient billing system in the hospital. That's the first scenario. The second scenario is the organization where they'll uh, selling products and all the stuff. Okay, so that's the second scenario. So the class diagram is something like it will have various objects. Okay, each object will have its own attributes, functions, and other variables. Okay, that's basically a class diagram. Each will be interconnected. Okay, so let's go for the view. So let's go to the first scenario. The first scenario is the patient billing scenario. Okay, first, in this there are actually 8 objects. Okay, so the main one is the administration. Okay, then there's a patients and doctors, and then there's subclasses. Okay, sub-objects. So okay, let's see what it is each one. So the administration has all the employee details. Okay, and the employers IDs. Okay, then they generate the bill. They have the patient details and the doctor details. Okay, next one, the doctor have their their name, their ID. They have their patient's information and so on, their schedulings and so on. Patient has the room allocated and his name is ID. Okay, and the amount he has to pay and so on. Then each patient will be allocated a bed, a ward, and ICU. And each ICU contains its own numbers and so on, ward numbers and so on. And the availability of all these things is checked in each of the case. Okay, bed availability is there, and so on. Okay. Similarly, for the doctor case, the tests are done. Okay, doctor has to perform various tests on the patient, so as he has to simultaneously perform the operations also. So the doctor is not limited to one operation, but has to do two operations. Okay, so the operation has its own variables and functions and so on. So the administration generates the bills. Patient has selected three of these things. Doctor selected a test and operation for his task and so on. So that's this scenario. Let's go to the next scenario, the organization scenario. In this scenario, there are 4 objects. Okay, the organization, the product details, the customer details, and the photo product handler. Okay, so the organization, what it does is it has its organization name, its license, and so on, and it has the order infos and various orders and the so on, the product to be bought and so on. So the product details object consists of all the information required about the specific project. Okay, and the seller's information will be stored here. Customer is the consumer of a product. So the organization buys the product and sells it to the customer. Okay, it's a two-way process. So the customer has in his own information and the customer payments and so on. Okay, and next is the product handler. What it does is it acts as an intermediate between the organization and the customer. For any problem the customer faces, any problems and so on, is solved using the product handler. This is the organization, working of the organization. That's it, ma'am. Thank you.